Log in to the ICTSchool admin portal. Select the main menu, Examinations. Select the sub-menu, Add Marks, and click on it. The Marks Entry page will open. You can just enter the required information. Class. Select the class. The list of sections A, B, C with their subjects will appear. Choose the required section and subject to continue. Examination. Midterm, finals term. Total mark. Enter the total marks of the exam. Click on Show Student. The list of students will be displayed. For each student, enter the obtained marks. If the student was absent, mark Yes under Is Absent. Select whether to send SMS notification of marks to parents, yes or no. After entering all details, click on the Save button. Marks will be recorded, and notifications, if enabled, will be sent automatically.